a beautiful car. Great, the best color combination too.
What is up, guys? Anthony here again. This is day 2 of Supercar content. We're heading up to the Exotics Only show. Of course, we're gonna take the NSX to that. I'm just gonna get her started up for y'all. Last night's show was pretty freaking awesome, not gonna lie. Met a lot of cool guys. If y'all are in the comments below, like, hit me up if you met me, because that was a blast meeting a lot of people. As you can see, she's looking a lot cleaner than yesterday. We definitely got a little bit of the dirt off. Like I said, we live on a dirt road, so there's not much we can really do. That's why we usually bring towels with us to the show, so we can start wiping her off once we get to the show, because she's ceramic coated and PIPED. So basically all we need to do is wipe off the dirt. Still sucks, but what you gonna do, right? JDM Kings are here. Woo, we made it. The parking is kind of crazy though, guys. Kind of crazy. Ooh, we got Lambo time. I saw this one sign up last night. I was like, holy crap, I don't think I've ever seen an RS28. Alright boys, it's getting pretty crazy out here. We got Performantes, Aventadors, SVs, we got StevesPOV's here, we got a bunch of stuff going on. I'm gonna head back to the NSX and see what we can do. So this car, I don't know if you knew about this car, so this one has 4 motors in it, 3 electrics and 1 mid-engine engine. So this is kind of like a Tesla, so when you go off, there's instant acceleration. Instant acceleration, 0 to 60 with the exhaust. We're gonna get a fab back exhaust. 0 to 60 is going to be about the same as the Bugatti, 2.5 seconds.
What? That is insane. 2.5 seconds.
Like, we've had cars pull up. We had a few days ago, we had a, I think it was like a Golf, all-wheel drive Golf, like Mark IV or something, like a GTI. Dude, we were gone. You can hear him start revving, and it's just gone. Y'all want to be in the video?
Sure.
What's up, guys? What's your channels?
We don't have a channel.
Well, we don't have a channel.
Got Instagram?
Not really, no.
You're killing me, guys. You're killing me. Yeah, I don't know what to get next. What do you think? What do you think? Should I get a Huracan for the channel or a McLaren?
I love Huracan Performantes.
Huracan. I really like the Huracans, but I mean, I really like McLarens.
McLaren. I think you should get McLaren.
I would buy a McLaren, to be honest.
570S or 720S?
720. Definitely 720.
Yeah, 720.
All right, y'all heard it now. We're getting a McLaren.
This over there.
Hey Steve, I'm Anthony. Welcome to the neighborhood.
Anthony, thank you, man. Nice to meet you.
We just got a new NSX, a JDM team.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
No way. You brought one in from Japan?
Yeah. Well, no, we brought a 2020 NSX from Washington.
Oh, you did? Okay, nice. You have it here?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
You want to check it out sometime?
I'd love to. Maybe one day in McKinney we can get together too. I live up there, and today I don't know that I'm going to have a lot of time right today, but I'd love to, especially if we're neighbors.
All right, boys. We're gonna go look at some details, so we're taking the NSX over there. I'm outside the car walking next to it, which is kind of funny. Check that out. We're walking with the NSX. We brought it so you can look at it.
I love it. I love the interior too.
You want to go for a ride sometime? Hit me up.
We'll go for a ride one day. I'd love to. This is a beautiful car. Great, the best color combination too. Really nice. 2 thumbs up.
Does it get approved?
I love it. Where do you ride? Where do you ride?
I have an E46 M3.
Oh,
so
okay.
classic.
That's not too bad. Can you stick with him?
Not anymore. I
Not
can stick with this old car. Now I gotta get like a Ferrari or Huracan.
Yeah, he can't even say cute doggy. All right. Well, nice seeing you again.
Nice
Beautiful car. Nice meeting you.
What is up, guys? We're about to head out. It was a blast hanging out with StevesPOV. We're gonna head out. We're gonna take the NSX, the Tesla. We're probably gonna go get some food. I hope you've enjoyed the content. Sorry I didn't get much of the vlogging portion of it. I'm still getting used to the vlogging aspect of it, but I hope you've enjoyed the content so far. If you're in the area, hit us up. The NSX will probably be out here. The M3 might be out here, so come say hi to us. We'd love to meet you. All right, boys, it's the end of the journey. I'm heading to go pick up lunch for the family. I hope you've enjoyed the vlog. Hopefully we'll get to collab with StevesPOV soon. Steve, it was a pleasure meeting you. I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay safe, neighbor, and I hope we'll see you soon. And I'm gonna go get the food. We might continue vlogging here, but for now, we're heading home. Oh my gosh, it sees the guy! It sees the guy in the freaking thing. That's hilarious. That's amazing. Alright boys, we're on the way home. I thought you would like this, right? So I tested out autopilot for the first time. It was pretty freaking cool. I wasn't scared or anything. The car just took over, and I'm gonna get some footage for you of autopilot on the Model 3 because it's pretty bad, eh? But we're on the way home. We picked up the food. We got the goods. Tesla first opinions. This is my second time driving it, but this is the first time driving it long wise. The acceleration and the performance dual motor Model 3, dude. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. I'll just get a quick video for you. Like, look at that. That's the speed limit already. So yeah, the Tesla's fast, very fast. I'm gonna go ahead and engage some autopilot for you. There it goes. So now the car's in control. No hands on the wheel. No hands. So isn't this crazy, guys? This is crazy. And then I'm gonna try to do a lane move maneuver. So I'm gonna try to get into the next lane. We're past this truck. Oh, there it goes. It's doing it on its own. That is so creepy. I don't have hands on the wheel. Oh my gosh, that's so creepy. So I'm just gonna do autopilot as long as I can on the way home. But that is crazy. So hope y'all are enjoying the content so far. And I have my hands on the wheel now, so I'm not driving with no hands. But the Tesla, man, autopilot, if you haven't tried it, it's a gem. It really is. Especially for vlogging. Like, I don't even have my hands on the wheel, and people are staring at me like left and right. And they want me to touch the wheel a bit. That's so funny. All right, I took it off autopilot. So I'm gonna drive home. I'll put it back up if I see anything cool though, for sure. Dude, guys, I am completely enjoying the Tesla right now. Like, I can't even say it. Like, being able to go down the main road down to the house, like, without even having my hands on the wheel, like, basically just touching it when it gets angry at me, and then just basically letting the car drive. And then, like, oh, it's a good troll too, because you can quite literally just wave at pretty girls while the car's driving itself. What's up, guys? Here's the end of the vlog. I hope you've enjoyed the vlog. Steve, again, it was awesome to meet you. I hope we can collab in the future. We bought the Tesla home. The NSX is still out. My parents are going shopping, so we're just kind of chilling, hanging out. I'm gonna eat my food. I hope you've enjoyed the vlog. If you met me today at the show, I hope you had a wonderful day. It's a pleasure meeting you. Hit me up on DMs, and I'll catch you later. Have a wonderful day. Stay wonderful.